Right now, 4,000 satellites orbit above your head, and every single one started here.
One speck of dust, 1 millimeter off, and a $400 million satellite becomes space junk.
Welcome to our satellite constellation factory. Today, I'll take you on an incredible journey showing exactly how we build the satellites that connect the world.
Walk smoothly to keep particle counts low. Now, if you move too quickly or swing your arms widely, alignment looks good on the y-axis.
Locking the rotational platform now.
Designed for maximum power and minimum volume, the arrays utilize an elegant accordion folding technique, expanding dramatically once in orbit.
The interference analysis confirms a potential conflict in the C-band spectrum over this region.
Bring it down 5 centimeters. Holding steady, coming down slowly. Alignment confirmed. Mating sequence engaged.
Thruster engagement nominal.
Power levels increasing. Beam characteristics are stable. Initiating spin test sequence on reaction wheel assembly 3.
Telemetry looks nominal. Calibration sequence started.
Inertial measurement unit aligned and secured.
Confirming redundant sensor suite integration. Status nominal.
All systems green.
BMS indicators are green across the board. Cell balancing is optimal.
Confirmed. Data logs are clear for flight readiness.
Test sequence initiated. Confirmed continuity on pins 12 through 24. Good.
Proceed to the next assembly.
Discharge rate stabilizing. We're holding steady at 90% capacity.
Confirmed. The system is stable. Simulation successful.
We're showing 85 degrees right here at the evaporator.
Okay, the fluid saturation looks consistent across the board.
We need to update the model to reflect the measured temperature gradient, applying the new parameters now.
This area is showing extreme cold vulnerability.
Applying the captain heater now. Testing the circuit, verified.
The simulation results show an anomaly in the thrust vectoring module.
Check the latest commit history. It might be related to the recent patch update.
Solar arrays confirmed, stowed, and secured. All subsystems are online.
The inertial measurement unit is responding perfectly. It's ready.
Circuit 42 primary power. Check.
Telemetry nominal.
Actuator swing test initiated.
Flight hardware installation, blue tags verified. Test equipment removal complete, red tags pulled.
Configuration confirmed. We are go for flight readiness.
All thermal vacuum test results are within spec. Good.
I'm signing off on the material certifications now.
NDI reading stable on port coupling. No subsurface anomalies detected.
Copy that. Inspection complete.
And that's how we build the satellites connecting the world. From raw materials to orbit, every step requires precision,